am very nervous right now because I just got an email. I have the notification on my phone, but I have not opened the email and I've read it because I wanted to make a proper video of this. I'm really nervous because I don't know whether if this is going to be a positive email or a negative email. This email I am supposed to get the reply from a university that I'm trying to pursue my graduation in. It's Jain University from Bangalore. Today I have been waiting for this email from morning. I think it's 4:30 or something. Yeah, I think it's 4:30, almost 4:30. I don't know whether if I've got accepted or whether if I've got rejected from this college. It's because it's a really big college. Okay, here's the deal, here's the backstory. So I applied for this college, Jain University, I think in March. I don't know, I think in March, but here's the deal. I did not even apply for it because I literally did not have hopes that I was going to get a seat in this college. This college is really difficult to get in. I had put my profile up on shiksha.com. There is a website called shiksha.com, and I didn't know that even colleges get my notification when I go and browse these particular colleges. Even these colleges get to know that I'm browsing the college. I didn't know that. I was browsing on this shiksha.com and somehow they got my profile that I was browsing the college on shiksha.com. And so they just called me, someone from the office, and they were like, we saw your profile and do you want a seat? And I was like, yes, I require some help and just if you could help me out. And I really didn't know that what was going on. I just gave them some of the documents like marks cards and some other stuff, and literally like the process literally started. But till today I have not got the confirmation. I really hope I have got a seat. Right now, look, here's the deal. I already have a seat in Karanya University. So right now, if this email says that I have a seat in, I can take admission in Jain University, then I'm actually going to be having 2 seats at a time. So I have to cancel Karanya University and I'm going to get into this. But I'm going in with low expectations because it's been 4 to 5 months and I've really got no reply from them. But oh my god. I got a seat in Jain. Okay, look. Greetings from Jain University, Bangalore. Hope you find this email. Hope this email finds you and your family in good health. Congratulations. We are. Is it focusing? Congratulations. We are happy to offer you provisional admission for BTech lateral entry in Jain into University. Oh. Wow, I can't believe this. Today is the 21st of February. Okay, this is 21st February 2021. You can see right there. It's 2021 and it's been, I think, 6 to 7 months since I shot that video that you saw just before this. Now, it has been a long time and I'm making this video now because look at my hair. I'm making this video now because many things have happened in this few months and I had no time. I was really busy. I was doing a lot of stuff and so I have been busy, but today I decided to edit this video and I'm going to upload this video. But the problem is the video that you saw before this is the only stuff that I have. After that, I just took my phone, I opened my email again and I ran downstairs to tell my mom and dad and my brother and my sister that I've got a seat. So for some time I had seats in 2 universities. If any of you are going to do that same mistake, do not do that same mistake, because from Karanya University a lot of my initial admission, I think it's called as initial admission payment, that initial admission payment for seat blocking, a lot of it was cut down. And so it was my mistake, actually it was my mistake. But anyone who is going to do that, I recommend you do not take very quick decisions. I'm excited to go to JN University Bangalore, but there are a lot of cases going on there, COVID cases, and that's why they have still not planned to open up the college. But yeah, while I'm going to Bangalore, I will also make a good vlog, and it's going to be really interesting going there. And I'll see you guys soon.